everybody. I am Madeline Moore, the clarinet professor from New Mexico State University. I am here to help you with your 2020 New Mexico All-State Etudes. The etude that I'm working on now is number 10 on page 56 of the David Hite book. With this one, we have a tempo marking of allegro, and the state suggests that you play it between the tempos 92 and 108. I would encourage you, don't feel like you have to get all the way to 108. Going somewhere in the middle, like about 100, is perfectly respectable. Honestly, getting to 92 is perfectly respectable. So what I would say for everyone who's starting to work on this etude is take your time and go very slow at the beginning so that you get the articulation patterns accurate and you're maintaining your very best tone as we move through the registers so much in this etude. It's really easy for our embouchure to move around and for us to not make the best sound. So especially if you're starting now in April, try to go really slow at first and make your very best sound on this etude. Then pay super close attention to the articulation pattern because it changes frequently in this etude. I would spend a lot of time just saying it. So for example, I would start the etude just saying T, 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 T. So you see there, beat 3 of the first measure has a different articulation than beats 1 and 2. So it's easy for our tongue to get tied up on the different articulations. I encourage you to just take your time and learn that really accurately. It's much easier to do that than it is to learn it wrong and try to go back and fix it later. Then some of the other things that I would watch out for in this etude, when you get to measure 9 through 12, the dynamics are very important, playing the downbeat forte and then the ti ta pianissimo. It really gives this piece a lot of character and a lot of fun if you commit to the dynamics that are on the page. That's the last thing I wanted to mention about this etude is it has a lot of personality. So even though you're going to be spending most of your time trying to get the notes and rhythms and everything, try to bring out the dynamics that are in it because it's a really fun piece if you commit to that. And then I want you to notice in measure 16, we have a big personality change where it says cantabile, which means singingly. So we go from this kind of fun, bouncy introduction to a very like smooth kind of singing and loving type of middle section. So you want that personality change, but everyone that I have ever taught this etude to wants to slow down there as well. So don't let yourself slow down. Make sure you're using your metronome and keeping the same tempo. Here we go. And it's kind of a crazy place to stop there, isn't it? But it's a fun etude, and I think if you really take your time and make it clean, you will end up really enjoying this one. If you have any questions about this etude, the lyrical etude, or anything else, please feel free to email me at mmoore82@nmsu.edu. That's MMOORE82@nmsu.edu, and let me know what you think or if you have any questions. Thanks!